Tori wey dey reach us today for Live Media on top with tori for today na say federal government don yarn am say make dem release Sowore and Dasuki comot for cell. Nigerian government don order the release of former national security adviser Sambo Dasuki and Sahara reporter publisher Omoyele Sowore say make dem release dem from cell. Nigeria Justice Minister and Attorney General of Federation Abubakar Malami na im order their release for statement wey dem sign. Malami tok say federal government bin tok dis one sake of say dem release e waka follow the bail wey dem give the two of dem for court. Malami come tell Dasuki and Sowore say make dem follow the talk wey dey on top their bail matter and make dem comot hand for any katakata, the one wey go cause wahala for the society or e go scatter the security plan wey federal government bin dey do. E come tok say their trial wey dey court go continue as dis one e go follow the law of the country. Make una sabi say ogbonge informate on top dis matter go still waka come as e be say federal government don bring ogbonge order for ground say make dem release Sowore and Dasuki comot for cell. Na here we see the tori reach on top with tori for today. As e be say tori wey dey reach us as e dey hot for Live Media na say federal government don order am say make dem release Sowore and Dasuki comot for cell. And to continue to dey get dis ogbonge and clear informate, una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for Live Media TV. And our fit to follow us waka enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for Live Media. And our website dey gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com to dey get ogbonge tori as e dey hot.